हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए एक और मज़ेदार और यूज़फुल वीडियो लेकर आया हूं। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।
Let's learn ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Hey friends, let's learn ABCs. A is for apple, it sounds B is for ball, it sounds b. C is for cat, it sounds k. D is for dog, it sounds d. E is for elephant, it sounds eh. F is for fish, it sounds f. G is for goat, it sounds g. H is for hippo, it sounds I is for igloo, it sounds J is for jelly, it sounds j. K is for kite, it sounds k. L is for lion, it sounds o. M is for monkey, it sounds N is for nest, it sounds O is for octopus, it sounds P is for pig, it sounds Q is for quail.